Cheating, an act that transcends cultures, age groups, and situations, remains one of the most perplexing and emotionally charged topics in our personal and professional lives. Whether it occurs in academic settings, relationships, sports, or business, the impact of cheating can be profound, leaving behind a trail of confusion, betrayal, and a host of difficult emotions. To truly understand why cheating happens and how to cope, we must look beyond the obvious, exploring the psychological roots, motivations, and the ways we can heal and grow from such experiences. At its core, cheating is the act of breaking trust. It involves deception, often for personal gain, and typically at the expense of fairness, honesty, or another individual's well-being. But why, given the social stigma and potential consequences, do people cheat? The answer lies in a complex web of psychological, situational, and social factors. One of the most significant motives behind cheating is the pursuit of an advantage, be it a better grade, a promotion, or a fleeting thrill. In academic environments, students may cheat because they feel overwhelmed or unprepared, facing pressure to succeed from family, educators, or themselves. Sometimes, the fear of failure eclipses the value of integrity. The desire to avoid disappointing others or themselves can pave the way for rationalizations. Everyone else is doing it, or I didn't have a choice. These justifications help individuals reconcile their actions with their self-image, reducing feelings of guilt. In relationships, cheating is often the result of unmet emotional or physical needs. When communication breaks down, intimacy fades, or one partner feels neglected, the temptation to seek validation, excitement, or affection elsewhere can become overwhelming. Sometimes, individuals cheat not because of the shortcomings of their partner, but due to personal insecurities, a longing for novelty, or unresolved issues that they may not fully understand themselves. Societal influences, such as cultural norms that condone infidelity or media portrayals of romantic escapades, can also shape attitudes toward cheating. In professional and competitive settings, cheating may be fueled by ambition, greed, or the pressure to outperform peers. High-stakes environments, where rewards are substantial and the risk of being caught seems minimal, can lead otherwise honest people to bend the rules. The normalization of unethical behavior within certain industries or organizations can further erode the boundaries of what is considered acceptable, making it easier for individuals to justify their actions. Yet, not all cheating is premeditated. Sometimes, individuals find themselves in situations where the line between right and wrong blurs. An impulsive decision, a moment of weakness, or the influence of peers can override personal values. The human brain is adept at rationalizing behavior, and in the heat of the moment, the consequences may seem distant or insignificant. The fallout from cheating, however, is rarely insignificant. For those who discover they have been cheated, be it a partner, friend, or colleague, the emotional response can be intense and multifaceted. Betrayal, anger, sadness, confusion, and even self-doubt are common reactions. Trust, once broken, is difficult to restore, and the sense of safety and security that forms the foundation of any relationship or community can be deeply shaken. Coping with the aftermath of cheating is a journey, one that requires time, self-reflection, and deliberate action. The first step is to acknowledge and validate your feelings. It's natural to experience a wide range of emotions, and allowing yourself to feel them, without shame or judgment, is essential for healing. Bottling up anger or hurt may offer temporary relief, but it can prolong the pain and hinder recovery. Next, seek support. Whether through friends, family, a counselor, or support groups, sharing your experience with others can provide comfort, perspective, and practical advice. You are not alone. Many have faced similar challenges, and their insights can help you navigate the complexities of betrayal. As you process what has happened, try to understand the broader context. Why did the cheating occur? Was it a symptom of deeper issues, such as stress, insecurity, or a lack of communication? While understanding the motives behind cheating does not excuse the behavior, it can help you make sense of the situation and decide how to move forward. For some, this may involve confronting the person who cheated, seeking honest dialogue, and expressing how their actions affected you. For others, it may mean setting boundaries or choosing to walk away. Forgiveness is a powerful, yet deeply personal choice. It does not mean forgetting the pain or condoning the behavior, but rather releasing yourself from the grip of resentment and allowing space for growth. Forgiving someone who has cheated can be incredibly difficult, especially if the wounds are fresh or the betrayal was severe. Take your time and remember that forgiveness is for your own peace of mind, not necessarily for the benefit of the person who hurt you. Rebuilding trust is perhaps the most challenging aspect of coping with cheating. Trust is fragile, and once broken, it requires consistent effort to restore. If you choose to continue a relationship, be it romantic, professional, or otherwise, clear communication, honesty, and transparency are essential. Establishing boundaries, setting expectations, and holding each other accountable can help lay the groundwork for healing. However, it's important to recognize that some relationships may not recover, and choosing to move on is a valid and sometimes necessary step. For those who have cheated, the path to redemption begins with taking responsibility. Admitting your actions, understanding their impact, and making a genuine effort to change are crucial for personal growth. Apologize sincerely, refrain from making excuses, and demonstrate through your words and actions that you are committed to rebuilding trust. This process may be uncomfortable, and the road ahead may be long, but facing the consequences is essential for healing both yourself and those you have hurt. Ultimately, cheating is a reflection of human complexity, the interplay of desire, fear, opportunity, and morality. While it can cause significant pain, it also offers an opportunity for introspection, growth, and transformation. By understanding why cheating happens and learning how to cope, we can not only recover from betrayal, but also cultivate stronger, more resilient relationships and communities. In the end, the lessons we draw from experiences with cheating, either as victims or perpetrators, can shape our values, our choices, and our ability to empathize with others. It reminds us of the importance of integrity, the value of trust, and the power of forgiveness. Most importantly, it encourages us to strive for honesty and compassion, both with ourselves and those around us, fostering a world where respect and understanding prevail over deception and hurt.